Well, this video, I'm going to explain something that happened right from day one when the vehicle was delivered. Now, I got to let you know, the problem I have, I've never seen before in my life. I don't know why, it's just I've never had the trouble with stains on the window before. When I received the car, it was delivered to me in my driveway, and I thought it was just mud on the window from rain or something. I didn't think much of it. In some angles you look at it, it wasn't that bad. So I just washed the car and be done with it. When it was delivered, I had other things on my mind, like how to drive it, make sure everything was working right, things like that. I did take a walk around video, and I'll show you some of that, but you really can't see it in there. It wasn't that bad. The camera doesn't pick it up that well, the stained windows. But I'll show you some still clips and things and screen grabs I did to show you with different lighting, different angles, to show you how bad it really was. I would say I didn't think anything of it. So don't get on my case. Everybody should know that. I didn't know. And I was wondering what would happen if I had driven 3-4 hours to pick it up and saw a stain like that. Would I have rejected it right there and drove 3 or 4 hours back before they fix it? Because I did try cleaning it, and this is the normal stuff I use here for cleaning. I have been used it for years. Cleans everything just fine, no problem. I put this on to clean the stain, nothing. It didn't change anything. It really did not help at all. So I noticed on some of the videos, people were washing their cars and they were washing it with this invisible glass stuff. I tried that and nothing happened. So I emailed my local service center, which we do have one in town, and I asked them about it. I said I tried the different things, it didn't work, and the reply was, we use ZEP, Z-E-P window cleaner. We cannot recommend anything other than what we use at the shop. They actually answered the email. So, okay. So I started looking up ZEP, and there's different kinds of ZEP for cars. So I emailed back, okay, which kind? No reply. To this day, I have no reply to that email, what it is. So I went on the internet and started looking around more and more, but I don't know. Why would I have to do that when I got the service center telling me what the problem is? Don't they know? Don't they understand? I don't know. So as far as first impressions go, they lost it. If they want to make a good first impression with me, they haven't got it. Like, what am I going to do with the pillar camera that goes on and off? Am I going to have to? What am I have to deal with that? Oh my, I got fasteners missing from the front wheel well, missing right from the factory. The on-screen goes blank every once in a while. The wireless phone charger, I emailed them about that and never got a response back on anything, because that has a mind of its own. So I don't know about service center. I'm questioning that right now. If I'm what kind of servicing I'm going to have when something really goes bad, because I asked them, if I should send it in, and they don't reply. So I don't know. So I went on the internet and started looking around, and they were talking about stuff called barkeeper's friend. I'm a barkeeper. What's going on with that stuff? So I looked it up, and they had it was like powder of some kind, and you mix it with water, and you go it on. But I don't know about that. I looked in the manual, and it says not to use that kind of, anything abrasive or anything. But then I found this stuff, self cleanser. It was called. It removes rust, lime, whatever. And I saw some people on video using it. So all right, I got some of it out. I went through the invisible glass. I did get some ZEP stuff here. I got some of this. Just that I tried that. Of course, it didn't help. Okay, so it didn't help. I tried this. I followed the direction. I just took a little corner of the windshield where the trouble was, just a little corner, and a little square space, and kind of looked at it to see if it made a difference, and it actually did a little bit. So I did the whole window thing with it, and it was a little better. And the next day I came out, I cleaned it all up with this, and did some of this, and then went back to this, and a lot of water. And I did one pass a day. Probably could have done it, every day, over and over, but I just did it one a day. And after 4 days, it was mostly all gone. So if you got water stains, use this stuff here, barkeeper's friend. I got the soft cleanser kind, and it worked. Just took 4 tries, but it does work. Well, how about something a little special today? How about a bonus, an unboxing bonus? Here you go. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we got in the box today. Now, I'm not charging for this one. This is a bonus, okay? Above and beyond the window cleaning thing. Okay. Let's not open it. Okay. See what we got here today. Hot Wheels. It's a Tesla Model 3 blue Hot Wheels. You can't find it local, so somebody on eBay was selling it. So there's your bonus video for today. Well, one of the things I want to remind people, I gotta say this. Remember, when ordering, click on the referral link. The referral link will take you to Tesla and automatically apply referral credit to your account. Right now, they give you 1,000 miles of charging if you use somebody's referral code. Do not go to Tesla.com to order. Credit cannot be applied afterward. Okay? I want to thank whoever used my referral code. Someone did use it already. I'm very thankful for that. I don't travel that much, but I will be using it. So thank you very much. But thank you. And credit cannot be applied after. So just remember that when you do that. Okay. We got something special going on today. This little bonus little video here. Here we go. Let's see if we get this in here. What we're going to do is today we're going to remove the factory screen protector. Here you go. There it goes. It's gone. Maybe we'll see that again. Factory screen protector is gone. Bye, guys.